UseMotion AI review. Is this AI tool worth it? So what is UseMotion? UseMotion is an AI scheduling assistant designed to automate your daily planning. Instead of manually moving tasks around, UseMotion uses artificial intelligence to build your schedule for you based on deadlines, priorities, and your availability. It even reschedules tasks when life gets chaotic. Think of it like Google Calendar meets a personal assistant. Some standout features include AI task scheduling that adjusts automatically, meeting book links with time buffer controls, priority-based task output, and a super clean minimal interface. It syncs with your existing calendars like Google and Outlook, so no need to switch platforms. So what's good? It saves tons of time, reduces decision fatigue, and keeps you on track. Great for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and busy teams. But on the flip side, it's a bit pricey for solo users at $19 a month. It does take some time to fully trust the AI with your day. If you're someone juggling dozens of tasks and meetings, use Motion AI. But if you're on a tight budget or don't like automated scheduling, it might not be for you. So that's a review of Use Motion AI.